Axia Development Corporation presents its first ever condominium project in Santo Tomas, Batangas. This is The Peak at Lemobreza. Let us discover the beauty of Axia's prime product, the Midori, and how this particular condominium in the south touches hearts of many.
This is my first condo experience kasi I live in Metro Manila. Sabi ko, it would be nice to have a condo. Alam mo naman sa Manila, so expensive. So, nung narinig ko yung condo dito, tapos hindi naman siya ganun kataas, sabi ko, tama lang ito .
Unique yung place. Kumbaga, usually yung place na ganun somehow makikita mo in other place. But here in Batangas, in Santo Tomas, meron pala. Kumbaga, maybe 5-10 years from now, ba yung nakikita namin potential ng place.
As a seller, kahit ako mismo ay na-amaze din sa project na The Peak at Lemobreza. Hindi ko kasi na-expect na magkakaroon sa Santo Tomas, Batangas ng main-rise condo na may overlooking view ng Mount Makiling. At sa tuwing nagtitripping ako dito ng mga kliyente, natutuwa ako sa mga reactions sila kasi na-amaze din sila at the same time na-appreciate nila kung gaano kaganda ang project na ito.
Lemobreza only has 11 buildings of Midori. So, assured ka na hindi impacted yung community. Experience sila ng sariwang hangin, hindi masyadong matao, at the comfort of the secured Midori type of living.
It's a different method of construction. It's cast in place using the aluminum forms. This is a very fast-paced method of construction. Everything you see in the structure of the building is reinforced concrete. So if we're talking about advantages, main advantage, strength, stability of the building.
Midori is actually very fast-selling and high demand sa market ngayon. Si Midori kasi lang siya, simple, but it has all the practicalities that you need. Palagi kong sinasabi sa clients ko, unlike ng ibang condo na paglabas mo sa pinto agad ng kapitbahay. Midori doesn't have that. Midori will offer you the space that you need.
Turnover ng unit niya, actually wala ka nang gagawin. Nakita sa akin. So, like, para most of konti na lang.
Lalagyan mo na lang ng gamit di ba?
Almost every corner of it is spacious, tapos gamit lahat. So, nakita ko din yung finish, yung finishing niya. Ang ganda. So, I decided to get that.
Hindi na ako problema kasi saan ako park.
Yung parking is a very big convenience for us.
Pag nagdadala ako ng mga buyers sa site, yung excitement nila, makikita mo kaagad. Makikita mo kung gaano kasaya sa face nila, makita yung view, especially yung may Mount Makiling at saka yung city view.
Considering that Axia has a very large development here in Santo Tomas, Batangas, the Peak and Lemobreza can be compared as like a cherry on top of a cake. The location, the view, the environment, everything is just perfect.
Gandang place ang Midori. Pag gustong mag-unwind from Metro Manila, pupunta dito, wala na masyadong iintindihin. Kasi if house and lot, marami kang aayusin, maraming i-maintain.
Yun yung parang sabi natin, naka-love at first sight sa amin. Yung lamig. Meron din pala dito. Bakit ka pupunta sa Baguio or Tagaytay? Meron din pala dito sa area ng Santo Tomas.
Alas kasi kami mag-staycation. Normally, kaya ngayon, may long weekend, we do sa Alabang, staycation kami family. So dito, for sure, dito na kami mag-staycation since na maganda yung lugar, mas sulit, and then may enjoy namin yung long holiday and long weekend for that. So, malaking tipid na rin ang site. Kaysa mag-hotel kami, na usually ginagawa namin. Hindi ako mahihiyang mag-recommend. Kasi nga, unang-una, ako mismo kumuha. So, I have my choice na maganda yung lugar at very unique. So, talagang i-recommend